Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And to be honest, I should welcome myself back because I have not been uploading the videos from so long that now I think I would be able to upload the videos regularly. In today's video, we are playing Police Sim 2022. This is the newest OVLX game that just came out. Not just, but on the channel, I would say it just came out. So do you know, if you press on that like button, I would turn into a police officer? Try it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, now I am a police officer. And this is going to be a starting video because I have not uploaded from so long. I don't know what to do. So I'm kind of making out what to do, and I promise slowly and steadily I would be improving my content a lot, and I would be doing everything that I possibly can. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video, and make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below which game you want me to play next, and I would play that game. And I would be back with the Minecraft series sooner than you think. So subscribe and let's get into the video. So let's see what we are looking at today. We have career, we have multiplayer, challenges and some free rides. So let's start with the free ride. We'll explore the map and then we'll go and move on to the career. As you can see on the top, I am quite a rich police officer, and today we are going to start with the default car, that is this Crown Vic, and this is the most popular police car that I have seen from my childhood. And let's get started and let's see. So in this game we get two options. One is Los Angeles and the second one is Shanghai. So let's go to Los Angeles and we'll play in the daytime and explore the map. Okay, so we have spawned, and this game actually has a quite big map. I'm not joking. And let's explore the map, and as you can see we have a lot of options. And this time the speedometer, like in other OVLX games, we have the speedometer right in the middle, but this time they have given it on the right side. And let's see, we have sports mode, we have blinkers, okay, and we have, oh my god, this is okay, nice one. And this is the third view, and we have seat belt, and we can get out of the car. This is something that I really wished these simulator games had. And currently the CP has the car parking multiplayer game has a free roam in it, but this is the first OVLX game which has a free roaming feature. And let's get back into the car, and we can turn on the siren, and you can see the cars are going to the side, they are pulling over, and we can drive it. That's good. Okay, this map is quite okay, little drift action there. And okay, this game is nice, has evolved obviously. And these are the blinkers, and let's do some jobs. Let's become a police officer now. One thing I want to tell you about this game is there are a lot of options for cop cars. As you can see, there are so many options, like, are you kidding me? There's so many cars. There is even Cybertruck, and you can actually be as a police car or you can be a undercover cop. So that is a cool feature that I like about this game. And one thing that is a bit glitched in this game is this Urus doesn't have its fourth wheel, and it is like that. I have changed the settings, but it is still like this. And there are so many cars. This is my personal favorite now. It looks so good. We'll drive this in the future videos. If you want to see these cars ripping around the city, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and comment down below which car you want to see me driving, and there are a lot of options. So let's drive this, and we'll drive it as a cop, and we can actually change the livery of these cars. This is currently American, and we have Italian, French and Chinese, I guess. We'll go with the American, and let's go do some duties of police officer. That's why we are here, to be a police officer. I am out now to see all the crimes and everything. We can actually open the map and we can do these jobs. We have chase, radar, escort, park and roadblock. So let's start with a chase one. Let's find a chasing job right here, and let's go. Hey, come on, you don't see a car? Okay. You can actually set your destination points in this game, which is so cool. And as I'm saving the Los Angeles city, I don't follow laws, okay? I don't. Just don't ask me. And we'll put the car in sports mode. Come on. Yes. Woo! Oh my god. Oh. That is totally real. That happens a lot. I have seen that. Come on, move on. Okay. So we have different things, and we'll start with chase one. Get off. Okay. As you can see, I'm such a good driver. I can handle any car. Like any car. Another jump. And
Hi.
Okay. Let's go. Where is the map taking it so long? What? Are you kidding me? I was so close. After a quick unwanted exploring of the map, we are here at the point, and let's do a chase. I'm so excited for this game. Okay, this is the yellow car. I'm chasing this one, and on top, as you can see, that is the distance bar. I have to be close to the chasing car or whatever. I don't know. Oh, it crashed. Yes. As you can see on top again, it says capturing, and I'm slowly catching this guy, and yes, that's what you get from running away from the cops. And now he is arrested. Let's do another job, which is radar gun. And where am I? It's quite literally close enough. We can drive there. It's right over here. Let's do a nice drift. Come on. Don't tell me that was not good. Okay. Yes. Issue fine. Yeah. Don't speed, guys. In real life or in game. I didn't speed. I am a police officer. I was going to the duty. I wasn't speeding. That don't count that. Okay. Oh, there was a little nudge there. Okay. Another one. Okay, let's issue him a citation for speeding. Yes, you Prius guy. Oh. Okay. So this guy did not stop. So we get two options. One is begin chase or let him go away, which is not we are going to do. Did I say it right? We are not letting him go away. Let's chase him. Oh my god. Let's get started. Okay. So this time I am not gonna capture him. I am going to hit him. Let's go. Oh, am I stuck? Am I stuck? No. Oh, go, 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 go. Yeah, my parking brake was on. You guys didn't see that. Okay, so we are going to hit him as... Yes, come on. Oh my god, that was so cool. Yeah, run, run, run. Come on, Crownwick. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no, 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 no. No, he's going away. He's going away. He's going away. I need to turn. I need to turn. I need to turn. I need to go, 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 go. Oh my god, he's... Oh my god, he's gone. He's gone. Did he also crash? I think so. Come on. Yes, that was a good one. Come on. Oh, did I hit him? We are not going to capture him. We are going to hit him. He is almost done. Can we hit him in the reverse? Yes, we can. And that was a good hit. Let's do it once more. Oh, he just juked us. Let's get realistic. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. And he's gone. He's done. He's done. He is going to jail. Yes, I made some 720 points. You know. Okay. So the radar thing was a little boring. We'll move on to the next one, which is escort. And are we near to any escort? Yeah, we are. Okay. So if we go in this direction, the best in the biz escort driver. Come on. Let's get real again with first person view. No, don't crash. Just imagine crashing into the guy you are escorting. That would be so bad. Okay. Whatever. Let's get... Oh my god. Oh my... The escort music. Are we here? We just took a round. We can actually stop the radio. We don't want any radio. So we have the last job of the day, which is going to be park. Okay, we are going to give some parking tickets to the people who actually don't know how to park. We are close to one parking. We have to take a right from here. Oh, you cannot hit pedestrians as a police officer? I didn't know that. Maybe. Okay, so let's give some parking tickets to the people who actually don't know how to park. We have to do 9 cars. We are at 0. So we'll scan this one first. This one. This car is clean. Let's scan this one. And this car is also clean. Okay, that's good. I think this car is not good. Okay, we have a toll not paid. Will issue a fine. Bad cops. Okay, now we can move. Hello, can I what just happened? So actually my game didn't work out. This game needs some work because this is a brand new game, like brand new, and it needs some bug fixes and they would be done soon. For now, for this video we are going to do only this. I would say this game does need some bug fixing because my game actually stopped twice, and that is why I was not able to record a lot. And that's not my phone fault because I just changed my device and it has like 12 GB of RAM, so I don't think it is my device's fault. So hopefully by the time I don't know what to say, this game improves and we can make more entertaining videos, and it doesn't stop again. So I would end this video right over here. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and new video would be out soon. I hope this video was entertaining. I would see in the editing if it was. Let's end this here, and I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay, bye.